All right, what's up, guys? I'm here to give you all an update on the 25K account challenge. As you know, I introduced the 25K account challenge for my swing trading account last week. This week was a bumpy ride with the CPI numbers coming out and some things in the economy going on, but the market overall ended up in a bullish run at the end of the week, which ended up being a good thing for me. This week I was, selling cash secured puts. If you don't know what that is, I'll go over it a little bit in this video, but not too much in detail. There's plenty of YouTube videos out there on it. But if you guys don't know, my main strategy is running the wheel, which is selling puts. If I don't get assigned, then I just collect the premium. If I do get assigned, then I'm just holding those shares and I'm running covered calls on those. So this week I just sold, I think, 4 puts, and I didn't get assigned on any of them. All of them expired and decayed to $0 in premium, so I collected the full premium on that. So it's a very passive strategy, and one that I really enjoy for that reason. As you may or may not know, I'm a full-time therapist and just don't have time to be trading like that. So very passive this week. I'll go over the numbers of what I collected, so let's dive into it. Jumping into the account here, you can see very close to 17,000 now. Was trading, selling puts all week on TQQQ. So you can see here, all of them expired to 0. I had 2 at 35, 1 at 34, and 1 at 34.5. All of them expired to 0. You can see the one contract here at 34.5 for $105. I had one here at 35 for $100, another one at 35 for $85, one at 34 for $21. That was just a day trade last Friday on August 5th that I just let expire for $21. And then there's one I picked up on August 5th, which was on Friday, for $95. So all of those added together equates to $405 in premium collected for week 1 of the 25K challenge. Selling puts, if you don't know, it's pretty passive. So coming over to TQQQ's chart, we're going to look at selling some puts real quick and kind of see what it looks like for the upcoming week. So we come over here to sell puts. Right now we got a price of 38.05. So if you think it's going to stay above, say, 37, you can sell a put here for a $90 premium, but you have to put up the collateral of $3,700 because each option contract is 100 shares. 100 shares at $37 is $3,700. So as long as it stays above 37, you would collect that $90 in premium. If it goes below 37, then you would get assigned. You buy TQQQ at 37. Your real average would be 36.10 as you collected $90 in premium. So for the upcoming week, it's going to be a tough game because coming over to the charts, you can see we got, we broke out of a nice support there, making a run for the 40-50 resistance, which looks like it's going to be a pretty solid resistance level. Not even close to the 200-day moving average, which is around $52. So that's a good sign. But in any case, I really like to look at SPY, the S&P, and really see what that's doing. And right now we're at a pretty good resistance level. There's multiple levels have been hit here. 1, 2, got a lot of consolidation in here, got another level here, lots of consolidation, and now we're sitting right on it right now, right around 425, 426. We're at 427, and right above we have the 200-day moving average at 429.50. So we're coming right up on that. So I wouldn't be surprised if we had a short-term pullback. The market honestly needs it. You can see on the daily chart, RSI's above 70, so it's pretty much overbought right now, which, usually signifies there's going to be a near-term pullback. It doesn't always mean that. We can kind of consolidate and continue to leg up. But usually that's what we'd see. That's what I would expect to see, especially as we have the 200-day moving average coming up. I wouldn't expect us just to blow steam right past that. So with this upcoming week, I would expect a little bit of a pullback or at least some type of consolidation. So I've been looking into S triple Q. Now, I usually don't really like to trade S triple Q, which I may surprise somebody because usually people like to trade the inverses of T triple Q and S triple Q. But as you can see, S triple Q just with time just declines. I mean, it just decays severely because T triple Q and S triple Q follow triple Q, the ETF index itself, being the NASDAQ, which goes up historically over time. And that's what's going to happen to S triple Q over time, is it's just going to continue to decay. Now, I know we're short-term swing trading. I'm selling puts, covered calls, buying shares, running covered calls, and selling those on weeklies. But still, there's no telling where the bottom is on S triple Q. The reason I mentioned S triple Q is because I'm finally starting to think about maybe picking up some shares, but it's trading right around $34 right now. I really don't even want to touch it until it gets to maybe 29 or 30. And then I may go sell some puts or even buy some shares and look for some quick scalping on like day trades, or maybe hold it for a day and try to just sell some shares, or for the week and run some covered calls. If it gets down to 30, I know it'll eventually climb back to the 40s in the near term, at least, before it gets low enough for them to reverse split. I don't want to be zero part of that. So for the upcoming week, it's going to be really challenging, but I think for now we still got some upside to go. So I think this upcoming week I'll be running, probably selling some puts on T triple Q again. I'd really like to see a Monday dip, and then maybe grab a cash accrued put there, and then maybe grab a couple on Tuesday and maybe one on Wednesday, something like that. And may stay cash for another one in case it really just does pull back and breaks down at the $30 range or something like that. But I really don't think we're going to see that. I think we see at least 40s next week, and then some consolidation, maybe a slight pullback to the mid-30s, and then we continue to leg up. But as always, a pullback is healthy for the market. It's a good thing. A lot of traders may not see it that way, but it really is a good thing. That's where opportunity is given. And with T triple Q in the low 30s, high 20s, even mid 30s, even right now, if it's in the 40s, is a steal if you're holding it, over 5 years or a few years, or as a swing trade within 6 months, 3 months, whatever it is. T triple Q is going to find its way back to the $50, $60, $70 range, I think, within the next year, by the end of next year. And I'm talking 70s on that. So as you guys know, I'm trying to make about $400, $380, $400 a week on this account. And that should get me to the 25K range by around February 1st. If you followed the video all the way through to this point, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you watching. As you know, this is only my second video on this channel, so I really appreciate you guys' time. And if you like this video, please like. A subscribe would be awesome. And I look forward to talking again next week. Thanks, guys. Peace.